I hope I've been able to handle myself. My family would not castigate me for anything. I think I've been very decent and formal. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Honorable the Chief Justice, Mr. Justice Sanjay Karol, my esteemed brother, Justice Chakradhari, my other brother judges, Mr. Yogesh Chandra Verma, Learned Senior Counsel and President of the Advocate Association, Mr. Ajay Thakur, Learned President of the Lawyers Welfare Association, and Mr. Sanjay Singh, Lawyer, President of the Bar Association, Mr. P.K. Shahi, the Learned Advocate General of the State, Dr. K.N. Singh, the Learned Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Ramakant Sharma, Chairman of the Bihar State Bar Council, Mr. Lalit Kishore, Learned Senior Counsel, all Learned Senior Counsel, members of the Bar, members of the Registry, Balsa, Judicial Academy, and all judicial officers who are connected with us, the family members of Honorable Chief Justice and my family members. Well, this should have been the second round, but thankfully it is the first round. Last time I just had to rush. So now, without feeling the pain of separation, by the time I could realize I was already established there. But this time it has been a more sinking feeling, knowing that the countdown had begun. And by the God of grace, things have worked out. As has been said, parting is always very difficult. And for a person like me, both sentimental, emotional, it's very difficult to put what comes in my heart and through the mind and finally out of the system. I've been just contemplating the moment I was informed that there would be a farewell reference. Memories started just flashing in front of me. How I came in the profession, my days in the bar, on the bench, my brief stint to Andhra Pradesh, a part of this bar, then the bench, elevation to the bench, and then finally where I am today. At every moment, whenever there was, in my good times, in my bad times, all of you individually, collectively stood by me. That was my biggest source of strength. I knew that I did not have anything to prove to the world or to the public. I just knew that persons who meant to me, understood me, did not misunderstand me. And I can proudly say that all of you understood me and did not misunderstand me. I was difficult, I know. As a judge also I might have been difficult. But then, let me open out, even from the bench I used to keep saying, that I used to be that side personal. And then I felt that I had the authority to act as I had acted. And because of your correct appreciation and acceptance of what came from this side, I had the courage to go further, espouse the cause of justice, and together, as a team, whatever little we could achieve, it's a great satisfaction. The bench is absolutely powerless without the real and active support of the bar. If anything the bench has managed to achieve, will achieve, is only through you. I am After knowing the reality all over India, I can say with some pride and with certainty that we are one of the best bar. Very, I'm not saying because I'm in front of you and you know I don't give compliments just like that. But it's an experience. The relationship between without end. But yes, definitely, I was not prepared. I am not prepared in speak. I did not even know. My family was very apprehensive. What would I would say? Because generally I tend to go off track very fast, and especially in these weak moments. I hope I've been able to handle myself. My family would not castigate me for anything. I think I've been very decent and formal. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. And yes, you may be losing me physically for the present and Honorable the Chief Justice, but I can say that the pain is more this side because I am losing so many and you are losing only one. So the pain is much more, my loss is much more than your loss. And then, yes, to everybody, to my registry who has been very, very supportive, the results which we have achieved is totally the result of all my judicial officers, the registry, the staff of this court, my personal staff. How can I forget? They were the ones right from early morning till late night, even on weekends, without anything. Sometimes my Jamadar used to, straight away from the airport, I used to come here. He used to say that, sir, because from your home, the breakfast did not come, his wife used to prepare and give me. How can I forget all that? It's been a family and real family in that sense. Tremendous. And with my brothers, the support. And yes, I would be failing in not mentioning that whenever in the standing committee or anywhere, whenever I expressed my view and all, we had a healthy discussion. But if everybody felt that I had a view, everybody, I cannot express my gratitude for the trust, the faith they had in me, that I was allowed as a pampered boy to have my way. Thank you, everybody, my friends, colleagues, and finally, Honorable the Chief Justice. Being a puny judge, very junior when he came, slightly moving up, going out, again coming back, and then finally being the senior most judge. At every stage, whatever little you can see of me, whatever little you can associate with my achievement, the credit goes to Honorable the Chief Justice. The faith he had, whatever I did, he had the faith to allow me the space and back me up. Otherwise, you understand in daily life, it is very difficult at this stage or at this level to really achieve something unless you are sure that the vision you have or the task you have taken up is backed up by your colleagues and especially the Chief Justice. I've been lucky that my stint the last 3 years, barring a few months, has been with Honorable the Justice, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Karol, the person, not the Chief Justice. Thank